Children's Minnesota and Blue Cross Blue Shield reached a deal today to keep patients in network.
The contract expired on Wednesday when the sides couldn't reach an agreement after months of negotiations. Attorney General Lori Swanson then brought the CEOs together for a series of meetings. Early afternoon, the parties announced they struck a 3-year deal. WCCO's Jennifer Mayerle is here with what this means for patients.
You know, Amelia, this has been an extremely emotional time for people. Families felt like they were stuck in the middle during all of this. What this means is patients covered by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota who are treated at Children's can stay right where they are.
The CEOs of Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota and Children's Minnesota found common ground to reach a deal that affected tens of thousands.
Where we landed was a fair and equitable contract, and both entities are pleased.
They said during the lapse of coverage, Children still accepted Blue Cross and patient care there was not affected.
We worked very closely with the children's clinical team to make sure that all children were getting the care that they needed and that continued to receive the services.
Yeah.
Attorney General Lori Swanson asked the CEOs to meet after hearing firsthand the concerns of families. She called the deal doing it the Minnesota way.
It's just, I think, refreshing to see the level of commitment and focus that they brought to bear in terms of making sure that the children and the parents were represented.
Neither side would disclose details of the agreement. The hospital had claimed Blue Cross presented an impossible deal that meant it would have to accept double-digit reductions to Medicaid rates. The insurance company said it tried to work with the hospital by putting forth alternative offers the hospital kept turning down. In the end,
what we want to focus on is affordability and accessible care for people going forward. And the only way that's going to happen is if we work together.
Children's Hospital has a responsibility to our community to provide good health care with great outcomes in a cost-efficient manner. And that's what we've committed to our Blue Cross partners to do.
Now, no word yet on if premiums or rates will change based on the new deal. So while there are no real specifics, Children's and Blue Cross hope news of this deal offers some relief to concerned families.
There were many concerned families, too.
There were.
All right. Thank you, Jen.